Hey guys, Richard here with Down-Grid Survival. So I'm making an extra trip out this week that I typically wouldn't have made, didn't have scheduled. But when your toilet breaks, you kind of need parts for it, right? So that's where we're headed. We're headed to the hardware store to pick up some parts, and that's about 25 minutes away. So it gives me a chance to collect some thoughts, some ideas, maybe share some information with you. So today I want to talk for a moment about just what are you going to do when you know we have a serious SHTF event and things are really just deteriorating all around us, and you need parts for your toilet or some other type of part, home maintenance type thing. So it got me thinking that we could have found ourselves in really a nasty situation. But that's what we're going to have to plan for. And it's not possible for us to plan for every single event. You just can't. There's too much out there that could happen. There's too many parts or supplies and different items that we could need or would need, and it's almost impossible to come up with a list or to be able to stockpile everything that you're going to need, right? Even if you have deep pockets, and I don't, but even if you had really deep pockets and you could afford to go out and just start buying parts in case you needed them, you're just not going to find everything. You're not going to get it all. So, kind of got me thinking, and we really need to have a for my situation, we probably need to have some kind of repair kit that allows us to go above and beyond duct tape. Something that goes above and beyond what I may already have laying around the house, because I believe it would be possible to assemble a small repair kit of some sort that could be beneficial in the situation I find myself in today, right? So let me know in the comment section, what kind of things do you think should go into a repair kit that is, I'm talking more than just duct tape or electrical tape or maybe a zip tie. What kind of things should I be thinking about? And I'll see about assembling a kit like this, some type of home repair kit, and then we'll do a video about it. All right? So let me know your thoughts and leave them down below so I can get something assembled. I appreciate your help, and I'll see you in the next video.